Okay, Mark, you're asking, do you have a recommendation for an easy to use free video editing software? Now, there are lots of different types of videos where you need to edit. I'm not sure which ones are you talking about. Now, I can edit a video entirely on my phone. I use, which one is that? Rush. Premiere Rush. Adobe Premiere Rush is $10. It's not free. $10 per month, I believe. And that is an amazing piece of software, an app which you can use. iMovie is free if you got an iPhone. And for screencasting, when I show you tutorials and stuff like that, I use ScreenFlow for the Mac and Camtasia, which is for PC and for Mac. Video editing really sucks out your time. It is the worst thing you can do. I would highly recommend that you get a virtual assistant or a freelancer to edit your videos. Give it to them, because you will not do it. I can promise you. I've done it. I've been there. Now I don't do my video editing